Does your Instagram bio need a major makeover? Is it helping you attract your dream customers? Does it set you apart from other local bakers? If you're ready to do an Instagram bio audit, bring out your phone and let's take a look at how we can fix your bio right now. Hey guys, I'm Amanda Jonsay and I help home bakers like you launch and grow your business without stress, overwhelm, or confusion. If you want more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. So our bios are super important. It's one of the first things people see on our Instagram account, and it helps them determine if they want to follow us or not, and most importantly, if they want to purchase from us or not. We are allowed 150 characters, so we have to be very intentional with every word we use. I'm going to share the top 3 common mistakes I see bakers make with their Instagram bios. So the first mistake I see is having a super vague bio that tells me nothing of what you offer or sell. For example, this could look like homemade desserts, or cakes made with love, or your new favorite cookies. Order today. When you have something super general like these examples, people will ask, what makes this home bakery unique? You want to take advantage of your bio to clearly state what you specialize in and what you are known for. You never want to confuse your audience and make them question what exactly it is that you sell. Donald Miller says, if you confuse, you lose. So always over communicate. Maybe you're known for your brown butter chocolate chip cookies, or your home bakery is the only place that sells the most amazing gluten-free oatmeal raisin cookies. Or maybe you're known for your banana bread that has the most amazing streusel on top. Whatever your specialty is, you need to write that in your bio and put it towards the top so that it's one of the first things people read. And even if you sell custom work like custom cakes, explain the style that you offer. You want to be specific. All right, the second mistake I see bakers make is that they do not include their location in their bio. If you're trying to get local people to follow you and buy from you, you gotta add your location. There's been so many times I come across a baker's account and I want to order from them, but I have no idea if they're close to me, if they deliver or only offer pickups. It doesn't matter if you're already using location hashtags or even tagging your pictures or your posts. Your bio still needs to include this. You don't want to make people figure it out on their own or have to basically stalk your entire profile to figure out where you are. So don't forget to add in your city, or you can mention the larger surrounding area and what that name is. For example, you could do San Francisco as a city, or you could write Bay Area if you want to attract a wider range of people. All right, the last common mistake I see is that there is no website or order form and people have no idea how to place an order with you. Because the ordering process is not clear, you end up getting DMs or getting comments of, how do I place an order? The main reason you want to have a website or order form is to save time. Think of all the back and forth communication that happens regarding your ordering process. A website helps customers easily place an order with you, learn more about you, what you offer, what your prices are, and so forth. If you don't have a website yet, you can even just put up a free Google form and use that for taking orders. This has actually been a really popular method for bakers recently. So if you are not done with your website yet and you need a placeholder to collect orders, I highly recommend using Google Forms. All right, so those were the top 3 mistakes I see bakers make with their Instagram bios. I want to know in the comments below, has your Instagram bio suffered through any of these top mistakes? If you answered yes, Don't worry, you are not alone. Now you know what not to do with your bio. So I encourage you to make those changes and keep me updated. Let me know in the comments below what you change. If you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below, or you can also connect with me on Instagram at justbekause. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out all my other videos listed below.